Well, hi, kids. My name is Sherman, and Mr. Peabody got a hold of me as I was standing in my front yard and asked me to present the next video. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. He also told me to tell you to make sure you pay close attention to your teacher and the video. So, with no further ado, let's get going.
Welcome to Lesson 2, Addition, using a number line. Please make sure you place your name up here, and we've provided for you 2 examples. Let's look at example 1. Here we have 3 plus 3 equals 6. Well, how do we get that? Well, we start off with the first number, 3, and this number tells us how many loops we're going to have. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Let's look at example 2. Here we have 7 plus 2 equals 9. Well, the first number, we start off with the 7. How many loops? 2. 1, 2. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, what we'd like to have you do, we'd like to have you pause the video, complete the rest of these lessons, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answers. Please place the number of your answer in these respective lines and show your work. By showing your work, we'd like to have you place the loops that you saw up above from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well, if you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Well, welcome back. Let's see how well you did. Let me slide down here so we can see the whole thing. Here we have 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now, how'd you get that? Well, I'm going to draw a loop here for you. We're going to start off with 1, right? And we go 1. Because it says, here's the number you start off with, and here's the number of loops. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here we have 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And how did you get that? Well, same basic idea. We start off with 2. And how many loops do we have? 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here we have 3 plus 3. You see a pattern here? We're just duplicating the numbers. Okay, so in doing so, we're going to start at 3, right? And how many loops do we have? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now, where do we start at? Well, we're going to start at number 4, right? So here's 4. And how many loops do we have? It says 4 of them. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now here we have 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. We start at the number 5 and we have 5 loops. So let's do that. Okay, so here's the number 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, here's a big one. 6 plus 6. Well, what's 6 plus 6? Equal to 12. And we know that because we start at 6. And how many loops do we have? 6 of them, right? Okay, so same basic idea. Here we are on 6. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 12. Well, we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.